other documents to maintain. Just as a reminder, California's Equal Pay Act requires the employer to maintain the records of job title and wage rate history for each employee for the duration of the employment plus 3 years after the end of employment. And again, potentially consider going back 4 years under the statute of limitations for some of the claims that could be extended out. And also, I've got a list here of other documents. We've talked about these throughout the presentation today, but it's good to think about maintaining some of these other documents and backing them up. They could be useful in wage and hour litigation and other litigation that comes up in the workplace. And then finally, for employers with 100 or more employees, we've just had this May 10th, 2023 deadline for the pay data reports. We worked with quite a few clients on submitting these reports, but it's difficult sometimes because the employer doesn't have information about the race or ethnicity of the employees. So it's something to think about. And, you know, we've got this ongoing requirement. It's going to be in 2024. It's going to be the second Wednesday of May of 2024. The report is due. So think about how you're gathering this information throughout the year and storing it. So when it comes time to compile those pay data reports, it's not very difficult to put that together and you're not rushing at the last minute. And then finally, California's got this new CCPA, the privacy law. And there's a notice to employees that needs to be presented to employees for certain employers that meet this threshold. Just start thinking about that too if you're one of the employers that applies to present those notices and store that.